Hello and welcome to University of Reddit Class Korean for Beginners. This is week 2, lesson 2, and we're learning how to say numbers in Korean today. Um, there are two types of numbers in the Korean language that I don't think have English equivalent. I'm gonna have to explain that first. With an example, this is the number 1, and this is read 1, 1, 1. 하나, 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 and guess this is basically the name of the number. So, this is when you're saying go to page 1, you would go to page 1. And if you're, living on the first floor, you would say I live on the floor 1. So you would say I live on the floor 1. This is what you use when you're counting stuff. So if you're saying one finger, the word for finger is 손가락. So you would say 손가락 하나, 손가락 하나. And this is what you would use to say your age. And this is money. This is what you would use to count money. That I guess is counting, but it's just done that way. Number 1, 1, 1, 1, 하나, 하나, 하나. Number 2, 2, 2, 2, 둘, 둘, 둘. So this is counting stuff. This is name of the number. It kind of sounds similar, but 1 is 1, 1, and 2 is 2. Number 3, 3, 3, 3. 셋, 셋, 셋. 4, 4, 4, 4. 넷, 넷, 넷. 5, 5, 5, 5. 다섯, 다섯, 다섯. 6, 6, 6, 6. 여섯, 여섯, 여섯. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 일곱, 일곱, 일곱. 8, 8, 8, 8. 여덟, 여덟, 여덟. So this little thing is silent. 9, 9, 9, 9. 아홉, 아홉, 아홉. 10, 10, 10, 10. 열, 열, 열. And then if you're saying 20, the name of the number would be 2 and then 10 because there are 2 tens. You would say 2 for 2 and 10 for 10. So it would be 20, 20. And it all goes like this up to infinity. And then if you were saying 12, it's 10 and then 2, so it would be 10, 10 for 12 and 20 for 20. This is accounting stuff, which is irregular, and you have to memorize this. Just up to 100. At 100, they start to be the same word. 스물, 스물, 스물. 30, 서른, 서른, 40, 마흔, 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 50, 신, 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 60, 예순, 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 70, 일흔, 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 and 80, 여든, 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 90, 아흔, 아흔, 아흔. And the way things are counted in Korean is rather peculiar. I mean, all the Asian languages count like that, but we are going to learn some more numbers. This is 100, 백, 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 1,000, 천, 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 and 10,000, 만, 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 and how things are counted. If you have this, which is a million, you would just say a million in English because there's only one number before the comma, and you count things by 3 zeros, but that's not the case in Korean, or a lot of Asian languages that are based off Chinese. You count things by 4 zeros, so it's written the same, but you would cut the word off at 4 zeros. So after these 4 zeros are 10,000, and the word for 10,000 is 만. And before that you have 100, which is 백. So this number would be read 백만, 백만, because it's 100 times 10,000. And if you have this number, which is 12,345, you would cut off the number after 1 and then say 만 for the 1. You wouldn't say 일 because it's in the beginning. You can say it, but it sounds kind of antiquated. So just say 만 and then go on to 2,345. Some more numbers. 10,000 is 만, as you know. 만, 만, and this is 8 zeros, and it's 100 million. It's og. You need to know this because the currency is kind of different. You kind of don't need to know this, but I'm teaching you anyway. This is 10 to the 12. I don't even know what that is in English. And 조. And so I have an example, which is 8 times. So this is how time is written in Korea. So you would go year, month, and then date. This is 3:25, just the time. You can say PM, AM. So how you read this is 2011, 2011, 2011, and the the word for year is 년. So you would say 2011년. And then this is just 8. You don't have words for months like, January, February. So you would just say the number for the month. The word for month is 월. So you would say 8월, 8월, 8월. And the word for day is 일. So 21일, 21일. So if you say that fast, it would be 21일, 21일. And then for time, for the hour part, you would use the counting form. So it would be 셋. The word for hour is 시. So you would eliminate the T sound in the middle and say 3시, 3시, 3시. And then this goes back to the number form. 25, 25. And then the word for minute is 분, 25분, 25분. So together this would be 3시 25분. So all together this is 2011년 8월 21일 3시 25분. Now I'm going to show you some Korean money currency. I'm going to arrange them in the order of increasing value. So these are the coins. There's still one. We don't have two separate things for the coins and paper money, so it's all one. This is 10, 50, 100, and then 500. It would be 10원, 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 50원, 50원, 100원, 100원, 500원, 500원. So you can see they're kind of increasing in size as it increase in value, and these two are kind of rarely used. So you get these two, and they have the values on them in really big print, so you wouldn't need to worry about being confused about the value of the coins, unlike in America where they only write stuff like quarter, nickel, dime. I think that's a really bad system. And then the paper money. This is 1,001. This is the smallest value of paper money. It's worth about $1 at this point. So you would just strike off 3 zeros. 1,000원, 1,000원, 1,000원. And it's blue. All the paper money is in different color. So it's really hard to be confused, and in the back it looks like this. This is the next biggest, 5,000. 5,000원, 5,000원, 5,000원. As you see, this is a kind of orange-red color, and in the back it looks like this. This is 10,000. It's green. 만원, 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 만원. And this is the king that invented Hangul. In the back it looks like this. That used to be the biggest paper money until a few years ago. They came out with this. It's 50,000. 5만원, 5만원, 5만원. So it has a lady on it. It's yellow, and in the back it looks like this. So that's the end of today's lesson, and I'm gonna put up the Hangul notations on the blog.